Designing a solar system for a home involves assessing energy needs, roof space, and sunlight exposure. It includes selecting the right size of solar panels, an inverter, and deciding if battery storage is necessary. So, how is a solar system designed? Well, the first thing we need to do is to assess energy needs. It's to calculate the home's energy consumption to determine the required solar panel system size, ensuring it meets both current and future needs. Then, we design a 3D model to simulate the solar system, factoring in panel placement, shading, and energy output. Then, we evaluate the roof and the sunlight. The available roof space is then assessed, and its orientation is taken into account to maximize sunlight exposure for optimal panel placement. Then, it's installation day, where our professionals install the solar components, following the pre-designed layout and connecting them to the electrical system.